Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max battery draining fast issue. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, firstly, open the settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, tap to turn this off, turn off and go back. And the guys, next solution is disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi if you are not using this. So if you are not using your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and mobile data, so turn this off, keep. So after this, so the next solution is lower down the brightness. So guys, if you're using the full brightness on your iPhone, so lower down your iPhone brightness here, and then the next solution is to turn on night shift mode on your iPhone. So for the night shift mode, open control center, tap and hold on the brightness icon, and then tap on night shift to turn this on. After this, and after also enable and then use low power mode on your iPhone. For this, open settings, tap, scroll down, tap on battery and tap on low power mode here and go back. And the next solution is guys, disable background app refresh on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, tap here and tap to turn this off. After turning this off, go back. And the next solution is guys, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. For this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update. So if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so simply update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So wait for checking. So here is the version, install this on your iPhone. And the next solution is guys, update all your iPhone apps. For this, open App Store. So wait for the loading, go back. So guys, tap on the profile icon in the right corner. So here are the all apps here. So simply update all apps on your iPhone. So go back now. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone 14 Pro battery draining fast issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.